Today was Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I don't think I could say anything that would live up to his legacy in any way, but he was courageous and uncompromising, and I think above all he believed in justice. And I believe we should all strive for that. And if you haven't read his words or watched him speak, do yourself a favor and do that today. They're as powerful as they ever were. Tributes have been all over social media, like this tweet honoring King and his, quote, incredible career fighting for civil rights, using an excerpt from King's letter from a Birmingham jail, which reads, "Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere." That's a wonderful quote. I wonder who tweeted that. Oh, it was the FBI. The FBI. This is the same FBI who spent... Hang on. Same FBI who spent years spying on him and blackmailing MLK because their director and constipated bullfrog in a miniskirt, J. Edgar Hoover, called Dr. King, quote, the most notorious liar in the country. The only thing that would be crazier if Mel Gibson tweeted, Happy Hanukkah, sugar tits. So, comedians, in light of this MLK tweet from the FBI, what's another surprise reversal tweet the FBI might send out? John Hodgman.
Hey, Anthony Weiner. Cool dong, dude. It's a pretty cool dong.
Dude, like the FBI. Not just cool dong, just cool dong, dude. Eugene Mirman.
Hey, Vladimir Putin, where do you want us to drop off your laundry?
All right, points. Josie Long.
Just, hey, Stanley Kubrick, you did such a great job faking the moon landings. And then, hashtag, jet fuel can melt steel beams.
All right. Points, yeah, they could do that.